The Pacific Floor Care S-20 Orbital Scrubber is an easy-to-use and easy-to-maintain floor cleaner and stripper. Beyond a daily use procedural checklist, we want to offer some possible solutions to the most commonly asked questions related to potential issues. You or the end user may never experience one or any of these possible problems, but we at Pacific want to make sure you are capable and confident in troubleshooting general maintenance issues that you may encounter. Here we will address 8 main issues. Issue number 1. You are getting insufficient water to the scrub head. Possible causes and fixes to this problem could be: the solution flow setting is too low. Adjust solution control to feed more. The inline filter is clogged. Remove and clean this filter or replace it if necessary. The solution tube is clogged, kinked, or damaged. In this case, start by inspecting the tubes. Clear any obstructions present. If needed, repair or replace the hose. Issue number 2. You are getting poor water recovery. Possible causes and solutions to this problem could be: the recovery tank is full. Empty the recovery tank. The machine has dirty or worn squeegee blades. Inspect and rotate the blade, or replace if worn out beyond a reasonable limit. The recovery hose could be loose or damaged. Inspect the hose and repair or replace if needed. The recovery hose or squeegee assembly may have an obstruction. If so, clear the obstruction. The squeegee assembly could be out of adjustment. Adjust or straighten as needed. You may have a stuck or damaged ball float. Inspect and repair or replace if it is necessary. The recovery tank lid is not sealing properly. Inspect the lid gasket for proper seal. Clean the gasket if dirty or replace if damaged. The drain hose cap could be installed improperly. Fix by removing and installing the cap correctly. Issue number 3. Your machine is not cleaning the floor properly. Possible causes and fixes for this could be: you have a worn-out pad or brush. Inspect the pad or brush and replace if needed. You have the wrong pad or brush for your specific application. In this case, contact your local distributor for recommendations. There is insufficient cleaning solution for your application. Adjust the mixture as needed. Issue number 4. The scrub head will not run. Possible causes and solutions to this problem could be: the battery shield LED light is illuminated and has disabled the scrub head. If this is the case, service the batteries. Refer to issue number 8 for instructions. The scrub head is still raised. Lower scrub head and attempt to run. The brush motor circuit breaker is tripped. In this case, refer to issue number 5. Circuit breaker problems and solutions. Issue number 5. The scrub head circuit breaker is tripped. In this case, remember to reset the breaker prior to making any adjustments to the machine to get a correct assessment of whether the problem has been solved. Possible causes for tripping the circuit breaker could be: there's inadequate solution for your application. Increase solution to the scrub head. The scrub head is set with too heavy of down pressure for your application. Reduce down pressure setting. The pad being used is too aggressive for your application. In this case, try a less coarse brush or contact your local distributor for recommendations. Issue number 6. The machine will not drive. Causes and solutions for this could be the speed control knob is turned all the way down. If so, adjust to the desired speed setting. The circuit breaker may be tripped. Inspect it and reset if needed. If the problem persists, contact a service technician. Issue number 7. The runtime is shorter than normal. In this case, it's possible the battery charger is not able to finish the charge cycle. To address this, confirm a steady green LED after the charge cycle. This would be observed before unplugging from the outlet. Issue number 8. The batteries need to be serviced. In this case, the user will be notified by the battery shield warning light on the control panel. When this light is triggered, it is time to water the batteries. Open the tank exposing the batteries. Find the water system hose end and remove the protective cap. Hook the provided pump hose to the battery's water hose via the quick release end. Put the other end in your source water. Squeeze the hose pump ball until it is firm. At this point, the batteries are full. Detach the pump hose and replace the protective cap. Hopefully, this list of solutions addresses any common issues or general maintenance problems you may be experiencing. If these procedures do not correct the problem, please contact your local distributor or seek more information at pacificfloorcare.com.